My name is Antoinette, and I am leader of Team Fairies. And you're probably going, I don't know who you are. Why am I watching this video? If you're watching this video, most likely your sponsor is in my direct line, and I cannot be so much more excited than I am right now. What this means for you is you're going to get the support that you have probably always wanted. No, I'm not really big into over-promising, but I can tell you a little bit about me, and then maybe you'll get excited. So I come from a long years of direct selling. In fact, from the prehistoric days of direct selling. No, I'm not that old, but I have at least 20 years of direct selling experience. I've been direct selling before this whole thing of social media came, and then when social media became a little bit well known, I started with finding the best social media marketing coaches and studying with them. I have studied with Kim Garst, I've studied with Steve Wiltshire, Misty Kearns from CEO of Me, Carrie Driscoll from Driscoll Tech, the queen of teaching you how to be a boss at video, and many others. I love social development. I love personal development. I'm just so in love with social selling. I teach authenticity, how you can be your best you without being spammy to your friends and your family, and you can keep your friends and family. I'm just really excited, really excited. I joined Maëlle in October 2016, fell in love with the product so much. I shared the product with everybody and anybody, and people started loving it, which you must have loved it too also, right? Okay, so I want to share with you some next steps because there are many of you that I see that have not logged into your back office. It is so important for you to go ahead and log into your back office. If you don't know what that URL is, it is backoffice.maellebeauty.com, or you can go to maellebeauty.com. Go ahead and scroll all the way down and you'll see this thing called back office. Log in there. If you cannot log in to your back office, contact me at marieantoinette.biz. Make sure you do that, okay? Also, make sure you connect with me. I am on Facebook at facebook.com/theFaceFairyM, or on my personal Facebook, which is facebook.com marie.h.jones. That one's actually easier, but you may only be able to follow me. If that's the case, still send me a message. Find me on my Facebook business page, and all of that's going to be linked into the description and into the body of the email so you can find me super fast. I've already created a Google Drive for us because I do not expect everybody to be on Facebook. It is important for you to log in if you haven't logged in, if I haven't said that before, because if you don't, it's bye-bye, and we don't want that to happen. Honestly, I haven't even met you yet. I haven't met you, and I know I already love you, all right? So anyway, as you can see, I'm a little bit quirky, a little bit goofy. This is just me. This is really me, guys. And what you're to expect is if you want to learn about graphics, I know about graphics, and I love graphics. If you want to learn how to make some killer videos, I love making videos, and I can share with you how to do that too. If you are wanting to learn how to sponsor more, higher sales, and learn about upselling, emotional intelligence and emotional selling, hello, I'm telling you guys, there's so much I would love to share with you guys. Anybody can succeed at this business, and that is my goal. For you guys to be the best you and have fun while you're building this business. But to share with you guys, we need to connect. Yes? So I'm hoping that really makes you really super excited. Our team is called Team Face Fairies. A little funny story about that. It's not because I'm really great at making makeovers. Basically, one of my voice students, I teach voice, said to me, Miss Marie, you look like the fairy godmother in Cinderella. You know, bibbidi bobbidi boo. And I went, oh, that's so funny. Yeah, like a godmother. She goes, yeah, like a godmother. You know, isn't godmothers fairies? And I was like, face fairy. And that's where I get it. So bibbidi bobbidi boo. So that's how the name became. And I hope that you will extend my invitation to join Team Face Fairies. I'm so super excited about you guys being here. See you guys later. Bye.